everybody. Out at a Oak Savanna burn. You can see how they use the drip can to drip and create the flames, and they're going, the wind is pushing it then through the Oak Savanna, and the fire will kind of slowly drift its way through the Oak Savanna, and then end as the fuel ends, as the woods gives way to turf. So it's a controlled burn. It's actually very artistic and very well thought out by the team. This is a tall grass prairie restoration is doing this at a job site on that. So they're focused and paying attention and doing a nice job. I just thought I'd share this with you. So take care. See you later.